How can one track the status of their Canadian visa application after submitting biometrics?
Hello and welcome to this quick guide on how to track the status of your Canadian visa application after submitting your biometrics. This information is especially important for you if you have recently completed your biometric verification for a visa to Canada and are waiting for an update.
What is a visa application status?
Before we dive in, it's crucial to understand what we mean by visa application status. This refers to the current stage of your application in the evaluation process. It could be an assessment, approved, rejected, or may need additional documents.
How to check your Canadian visa application status?
Now, let's focus on how you can check the status of your Canadian visa application. 1. Create an online account. If you haven't already, create an online account with the Government of Canada's Immigration and Citizenship Services. You'll need this account to check the status of your application. 2. Link your application. Once you've created your online account, you need to link your visa application to it. You'll require certain details like the application number and personal identification details for this. 3. Track your application. Now that your application is linked to your online account, you can easily track its status. Just log into your account and check the current status of your application.
What does each status mean?
In this section, let's understand what each status means. In progress, this means your application is currently being evaluated. Approved. Your application has been accepted, and you should receive your visa shortly. Rejected. Unfortunately, your application was not accepted. The reasons for rejection should be stated. Needs more information. You may need to provide additional documents or details. And there you have it. A simple guide to tracking the status of your Canadian visa application after submitting biometrics. Remember, patience is key. The evaluation process can take some time. If your status hasn't updated for a while, don't panic. It may just mean that your application is still being reviewed. We hope this video has been helpful, and we wish you the best of luck with your application.